Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Your math teacher, Mrs. Sumaila Asif here. Students, today we are going to start new topic division. We will learn division by sharing objects. With the help of repeated subtraction, we will solve book page number 111, 112 and 113. Write date and day on these three pages which I am going to explain, and keep with you your maths notebook. Write down one example question in notebook also. So let's begin now. Students, open book page number 111. Write date and day. Student, this is the sign of division. What is the name of this sign? Yes, division. Whenever you find these words like share, divide, distribute, equally, make groups, it means you have to divide. I will explain you one example question here. There are three children. One name is Moise, Salim and Adiva, and they want to buy ice creams. Let's see how we will distribute equally among these three children. Moise, Salim and Adiba buy 6 ice cream cones. They want to share them equally. How many does each child get? So I will explain you on next slide. Students, question is divide 6 ice creams among 3 children. This is the sign of division. Okay, so there are Moez, Adiba and Salim. They are waiting for ice cream. So let's see how many ice creams each child will get. So start sharing. First I will give to Moez, Adiba, then Salim. We have distributed 3 but we have 6. Okay, give more. Again start from Moez, Adiba and Salim. So I have distributed all ice cream cones. So let's see how many ice creams each child will get. Yes, these 3 children get same number of ice cream cones, 2. So right answer here 2. Each child will get 2 ice creams because we have distributed equally among 3 students. We say 6 divided by 3 equal to 2. Students, now open book page number 112, write date and day. Here one example question. Do you remember, students, in multiplication we used to add repeated addition. With the help of repeated addition we got total answer. But in division we do repeated subtraction. Same number will subtract again and again. Let's see how many times number is going to subtract. Question is given. Kiran has a packet of 8 stickers. She wants to paste 2 stickers on each of her books. How many books will have a sticker on them? So there are 8 stickers. She wants to paste 2 stickers on each of her books. Okay, start. Take 2 stickers first. Take one book, paste it here, 2 stickers. So she has first total number of sticker 8. We will subtract 2 because we have pasted 2 stickers here. So number of sticker now we are decreasing. So we have now 6 stickers. We will subtract 2. So answer you got 6. Okay, now take 2 more stickers. and take one other book, paste it here. Now you have 6. Okay, subtract 2 because you have already pasted now. How many left? Now you have 4. Okay, you have 4. Now take another book. Yes, again paste 2 more sticker here. Okay, now subtract 2 more sticker from number 4. Yes, so how many you have now? 2. Okay, now take another book and paste here 2 more sticker here. Now subtract 2 from number 2. The answer is 0. Now you have no more stickers. She has already pasted all stickers. 8 stickers she has pasted on 4 books. So number 2 is subtracting again and again. So we can say 8 stickers we have divided equally to how many times, how many books on we have pasted. Yes, 4 books got 2 stickers. So here answer is 4. Okay, there is a clue for you. Easy way how can you find answer? This is total number of stickers. You are dividing 2 stickers. Okay, read table of 2 where 8 comes. 2, 1 is 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So stop here. Answer is 4. Number 8 in table of 2 comes at 4th place. So 2 fours are 8. So it means our answer is correct. Next page, page number 113. Here question is going to solve with the help of repeated subtraction in horizontal way. Question is, there are 10 balloons. Draw 2 balloons on each stick. How many sticks have balloon on them? Question is 10 divided by 2. This is a sign of division. Okay, take one stick, draw here 2 balloons. We have total 10. Okay, now how many left? Here we will subtract 2 from number 10. So how many have? We have now 8. Okay, now take 2 more balloon, paste it here. Okay, so now number of balloons we are decreasing. We have pasted here 2 balloons. And students, it's up to you. You can draw or paste. Okay, number of balloons are decreasing. Now we have 6 now. Now take another stick. Draw 2 more balloons. How many you have now? We have subtracted here 2. How many left? Yes, 4. Okay, take one more stick. Paste it here 2 balloons. Now subtract 2 from number 4. We have now 2. Okay, now paste. Again take one more stick. Here draw 2 balloons. Okay, subtract 2 from number 2. Now we have no more balloons. We have distributed equally among how many sticks? Yes, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right answer 5 here. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. And here you can read table of 2 where 10 number comes. 2 fives are 10. So right answer 5 here. Students, now open maths notebook, draw margin line, write date and day. You will write one question in notebook. There are 6 chocolates. Share 2 chocolates equally among girls. How many girls will get? You have 6 chocolates. Okay, so you are sharing between girls 2 chocolates. Okay, so first you will subtract 2 from number 6. How many you have now? Yes, number 4. Okay, now you have number 4 and give 2 more chocolate, another girl. Now number of chocolates are decreasing. Now you have only 2. Okay, now give Two more chocolates, another girl. Now 0 left. Now you have distributed, you shared equally among how many girls? 1, 2, 3. Okay, same here, read question. You have total 6 chocolates and you have divided 2 chocolates equally among how many girls? 3. Each girl have two chocolates. Two number is subtracting again and again. As I told you, in division we do repeated subtraction. I hope all of you have understood. See you in Zoom class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.